Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are some of the rarest and most mysterious gemstones on Earth. Their deep black color and unique structure make them stand out from traditional white diamonds. However, many fake stones, such as black spinel, black sapphire, or treated diamonds, are often sold as real carbonado. If you own a black stone and want to know whether it's genuine, here are 12 reliable ways to test black diamonds at home without professional equipment. Stash 1. Visual inspection. Hold the stone under natural light. Real black diamonds usually have a metallic luster and a slightly opaque look, while imitations appear too shiny, glassy, or dull. Sharp 2. Check for surface flaws. Unlike white diamonds, black diamonds are often full of tiny inclusions, cracks, or uneven textures. A flawless-looking stone is suspicious. Hard 3. Hardness. Scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest material on Earth, 10 on the Mohs scale. Try scratching glass or quartz with the stone. Real diamonds will scratch easily, while fakes may not. 4. The fog test. Breathe on the stone as if fogging up glass. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly, so the fog disappears instantly. Fake stones stay fogged for a few seconds. Hammer. 5. The water drop test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Real diamonds sink immediately because of their high density, while lighter imitations may float or sink slowly. 6. The saltwater float test. Mix salt with water until it's dense. Drop the stone inside. Genuine black diamonds will sink, while many fakes, like glass or resin, will float. 7. Examine under UV light. Some black diamonds show little to no fluorescence under UV light, while imitations may glow in different colors. 8. Check heat resistance. Heat the stone with a lighter for 30 to 40 seconds, then drop it into cold water. A real black diamond will not be damaged, but fake stones may crack or shatter. 9. Magnification test. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe, 10x. Real black diamonds often have a grainy or porous structure, unlike the smooth interior of synthetic stones. 10. Weigh and compare diamonds are denser than most imitation stones. If you have a carat scale, compare its weight with a similar-sized gemstone. 11. Test with sandpaper. Rub the stone gently with coarse sandpaper. A real black diamond will not scratch, but softer fakes will show marks. 12. Test against another diamond. If you already own a confirmed real diamond, try scratching the surface of the black stone with it. Diamonds can only be scratched by other diamonds. Final note, these home tests give good clues, but they are not 100% foolproof. For complete certainty, take your black diamond to a certified gemologist or jeweler who can confirm its authenticity with advanced tools like spectroscopy or diamond testers.